Package 2021-22 Science Chapter 1 Chemical Reaction and Equation. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ electrolysis of water, which gas is collected in the test tube they will ask. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು hydrogen gas, it releases hydrogen gas, and the ratio of the water and hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1, that we know, H2O. Okay, and balance the following chemical equation. You have to balance it. Okay, here RHS equal to LHS, lead nitrate. It undergo reaction lead oxide, nitric oxide plus oxygen. Okay, calcium oxide, it react with water, calcium hydroxide is formed. Name the product formed by strong heating of ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 crystal. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಫೆರಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide is released. Which type of reaction means decomposition reaction. What is an oxidation reaction? And oxidation reaction is exothermic or endothermic? Here oxidation reaction, the reaction with oxygen. Okay, addition of oxygen. The reaction with oxygen, and here electronegative element is added, electropositive element is removed, Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3 plus, it loses one electron. It is a exothermic reaction because heat is evolved in the process. This question is repeated number of time. When magnesium ribbon in air burns in air, it produces magnesium oxide, and balance the chemical equation ಅಂತೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. 2mg plus oxygen, there is a formation of 2mgO. Okay, mg plus oxygen ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, you have to balance with 2mg, and there is a formation of 2mgO. Okay, it is a combination reaction. What do you mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction? Give example. Exothermic reaction, heat is evolved. Endothermic means heat is absorbed. Examples: carbon react with oxygen, there is a formation of carbon dioxide, it is a exothermic reaction. Methane undergo react with two oxygen molecule, there is a formation of carbon dioxide in water and heat. Calcium carbonate, it undergo heating, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Nitrogen plus oxygen, there is a formation of nitric oxide. Double displacement reaction, define double displacement reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ two molecules undergo reaction, it gives two new products are formed, that is double displacement reaction. Barium chloride is there, it react with sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, BaSO4 and sodium chloride is formed. Okay, one more example is there down, that is double displacement lead nitrate, it react with potassium iodide, there is a formation of lead iodide and potassium nitrate is formed. Why respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction? And define the term of oxidation reduction reaction, and identify the substance that is oxidized and reduced in the reaction. It is because heat is evolved during the respiration, that's why it is a exothermic reaction. And oxidation is a process in which oxygen is added and hydrogen is removed. Okay, and zinc is getting oxidized, there is a formation of copper oxide is getting reduced. Okay, define precipitation reaction, exothermic reaction, oxidation reaction. You'll ask for 1 marks, otherwise 3 mark question it is. Define thermal decomposition reaction with example ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ lead nitrate, it undergo reaction, there is a formation of lead oxide, 4 molecules of nitric oxide and oxygen is released. It is a thermal decomposition reaction. What is rancidity? Mention any 2 ways in which rancidity can be prevented. The process in which taste and smell of the food gets spoiled is called rancidity. Antioxidants are added to the fatty acid to prevent the oxidation. Chips are packed in presence of nitrogen gas, which prevents the spoilage of oxidation. Food should be kept in airtight container in refrigerator.